Sore, stiff, achy neck? Let's give it some relief with this 5-minute Pilates routine appropriate for all levels. I'm Hannah Ray from Clarity Pilates. Let's uncrick your neck and get you feeling better. Go ahead and just come to any comfortable seated position. I'm going to invite you to start by just closing your eyes and doing a little tune in. And when you've identified a spot where you're feeling sore or achy, go ahead and just place your hands there. So you don't even need to do anything. We're just letting the warmth of our hands and that soothing contact give us a little relief. Take a moment, take a breath here, and then move your hands to another spot. We'll take 1 or 2 deep breaths at each place. We'll make one more move. Beautiful. Stay in this final spot. Take one more deep breath right into your hands. And then let that go. Okay, now that we've tuned in, let's start a little movement. We're going to inhale the arms up overhead and then just let them press down to the sides, making some nice big circles with the arms. I want you to keep the range of motion about 80%. So you're not going to be inhaling all the way up by the ears or pressing straight down to the side. Instead, when the arms lift, they'll come right in front of the ears. And as they float down to the side, you still want to see them in your peripheral vision. Let's take one more circle this direction. And then we can reverse. You'll just lift up to the sides and press down the center. You can feel how this motion of the shoulders can massage a little bit into the upper back, which is often the source of a lot of neck tension. Let's make a couple more circles. Really nice. On this last one, lift up and hold, and you're going to start to flick the fingers. Open, close, open, close, open, close, like you're throwing confetti. This is going to feel a little bit intense, so we're really trying to pull blood flow now into the upper body to help soothe the neck. So you're really going to feel a little intensity building in the forearms, maybe even in the neck and shoulders, and the upper back and the biceps. Keep breathing through it. It's okay. You are almost there. Just a few more seconds. Okay, now listen carefully. You're going to let that go, but bring the arms to the side here so we're not quite done. Fingers are flexed. You're going to circle the arms. So it's like you were pushing the walls away, and then the circle's like a window washing motion. Nice. And then go ahead and reverse. Just a little bit more. You've got this. Beautiful. Let the hands float down into your lap. Whew. Nicely done. Take a moment, really slow and gentle now. Just roll the shoulders and notice how, even though those last 2 exercises probably weren't super fun, they've really helped release and open everything up with all that healthy blood flow. On our final exercise, we're going to target the neck directly. I know this is what you've been waiting for. Really simple. You're just going to turn the head to the right. Little gentle dip of the chin, massage the neck down, around, up on the left. Then you look back to center and we'll reverse. You look, little down, around half moon, up to the other side, and then back to center. Let's do that just one more time on each side. Super gentle. Now that we've warmed this area up, we can give it a gentle stretch and receive all those benefits. Whereas if we'd done it earlier, it might have just cranked on our neck and irritated those delicate muscles more. All right, coming into our final stretch, you're going to interlace the hands behind your head, and I'm going to turn to the side so you can see this a little bit better. You're just going to lift the back of the neck to lengthen. You'll feel your whole spine stretch here, so we're really just giving the neck and the whole spine some traction, and then you can release. We're going to do this a couple more times, so you just press the back of the head into the palms traction up. You find length in the spine. If you're sitting like me, you might even feel your booty lift off your heels. Yes, and then we're going to do that one more time. Traction up, abs are in. You're lengthening everything with strength. Feel that juicy stretch. And then let that go. Arms can settle in your lap, and you are all done. I hope your neck is feeling just a little bit of relief after this quick 5-minute video. Come back to this again and again, even in the same day. It's super gentle and you can always use it for a little relief. If you want more tips for holistic self-care through movement like this one, join my Facebook group. I've linked it up for you in the comments below. And if you want to support more free videos on my channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Feel better soon, and I'll see you next time on the mat.